This is TestOut Security Pro 3.5.6 and we are going to manage certificates. Manage the certification authority for your network as part of your daily routine. You perform several certificate management tasks. CompTIA, the certification authority, is a guest server on COP Server 2. In this lab, your task is to complete the following. Your network uses smart card to control access to sensitive computers. Currently, the approval process dictates that you manually approve smart card certificate request. Approve pending certificate request for smart card certificate from S. Sutton and M. Mallory. Deny the pending web server certificate request for COP Server 12. Use B. Chan lost his smart card. Revoke. User B. Chan lost his smart card. Then we're going to revoke the certificate assigned to bchan.copnet.com using the key compromise reason code. Revoke the COP Dev 3 certificate. So we are going to start up. We'll go to COP Server 2. From COP Server 2, let's expand this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. Then we go to CompTIA and let's maximize this. Let's go to want to go to tools, certification authority, and CompTIA. Pending request. So we'll go to issued certificates. Then we'll go to revoke certificate and check what we have in revoked certificate. Okay, and let's see what we have in pending requests. Let's see, taken under submission, and this is, they're all on the same date. So we go to our tags. I want to go to issue. Go to our tags. Nope. Okay, to our tags. I want to go to issue. And username. Let's see what the username here is. So So let's look at revoked certificate here. Right click and open. Make okay. Issue certificate. Let's check answers and see how we do. This is just 25%, so we still have a couple of things to still do. We're going to deny COP Server 12 certificate request, revoke the bchan.copnet.certificate, then show on revoke the COP dev 3. Okay. So we'll go ahead and keep walking. That's okay, compromise. I'm gonna click yes to this. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna deny COP Server 12 and then unrevoke COP dev 3. So we have to keep checking this to see our tags, because since we maximize the screen, so we can't really see the tags easily. Unrevoke certificate. Then we'll go to pending request. Into all tasks. I want to go to, let's go ahead and let's see the main task. So what is left is to deny COP Server 12 certificate request. Okay, so we keep working. Go ahead and deny this. Yes. And that is all. We'll go ahead and check our answers and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.